A 10% tariff across the board is going into effect on Saturday, while a previously announced tariff on auto imports went into effect overnight. Canada's Prime Minister, for one, says his country will copy that approach and impose a 25% tariff on all vehicles imported from the United States.
The President's actions will reverberate here in Canada and across the world.
But back home, with nervous investors looking at the worst day in the U.S. stock markets since 2020.
Anytime the market senses volatility, changes, that creates kind of like a wave of panic in the marketplace.
Local financial professionals like Rick Miller from CSI Wealth Management preach patience, much like President Trump has.
Absolutely, 100%. Now, you should have already done your homework in advance of this writing it out process, right? And one of those things would be simply, are you in the portfolio that fits your investment style and your time horizon? And so clearly, if you're in that position and you've got emergency funds and you're managing your debt well, you've got security in the job marketplace if you're working, then just, batten down the hatches and ride out the storm.
Of course, that's if you're fortunate enough to have investments. If you're not sure what to do, you can certainly get professional advice. But the key is not to panic, because if you sell now, you're just locking in your losses. Whether you have money in the markets or not, we're all going to be dealing with higher prices, at least in the short term.
Yeah, I mean, is there any sense on how long the short term lasts?
No, because this has never happened before.
Right.
I mean, it could be days, could be weeks, could be months. I mean, but if you're on Team Trump and you're all in, not to worry.
But they do say in crises like this, if you can, to just sit tight.
Yeah, ride it out.
For better times. Yeah. Wow.
Donald Trump really believes in this and has been talking about it for decades.
Yes.
And now he's president, the most powerful man in the world, and he's making it happen. All right, Phil, thank you.